I love smoothies, and today I decided that we will be making a smoothie recipe. So to do this, we'll be using dictionaries. Dictionaries are pretty similar to book dictionaries, where you have a term or a key and then a description or a value. So let's make a dictionary. So how you do this is we'll name it mango, since we're making a mango smoothie, and then we'll have our curly braces. So let's add our terms, our keys, and then our values. So let's do, first one is time, so we'll do time, which needs to be in the parentheses, and then we'll say 5, comma. Then we'll do ripe mango, oops, and then its value, which is, since it's a string, we use parentheses too, and it's 1 cup. And then ice is also 1 cup, so let's do that. 1 cup. And then we have our dictionary. Wonderful. So I'll be teaching you a few ways of how to print your dictionary. So we can just print the whole thing out. So we'll do print and then mango. And then if we save that and print it out, Python 3, let's see if I can spell dictionaries. I can. And then that's our full dictionary. Voila! But now we can also do, just print out parts of it. So let's say we want to print out the time. We can say the time needed to make this smoothie, oops, is, and then we can do the name of the dictionary, so mango, and then we'll do the brackets, and then since, as you can see, all of the terms in the dictionary there, we'll do the time. So we'll say time. And then we can print this out. So let's do, wonderful. The time you needed is 5. Well, 5 minutes, but still, 5. It worked. So now let's do our last way to do it. What if we want to see if something's in the recipe? Well, as you can see, we don't have banana. So let's add a thing, and we'll say banana, or we'll say, is there banana? And then we can make this key's value false. And then you need a comma for the last one. Oh, and you need a comma for the one above it. There you go. So now, if we do print, is there banana? And then we do, so how we do this is we do mango, get, so get the value of banana, and then that's how you do it. So now, let's save it and print it out. So, is there banana, and then, well, it's because I put it in wrong. So, it says none because banana is not in this, but is there banana? Is. So let's do this again, and then we'll, so there you go. Is there banana? False, because it gets the value of is there banana. But it didn't work the first time because if we said banana, get banana, and banana is not one of the terms. Is there banana is a term. Okay, so now we can clear this and go back to up here. So now that I've taught you how to print, let's add some stuff to it. So an alternate recipe has milk. So let's add milk. So what we do is we say the name of the dictionary and then our brackets, and we'll say milk, because that is the key we want to add, and then we have to give it a value. So let's do 1 cup. And then we can also alternate or change term or keys that's already in the dictionary. We can change those values. So since we have a key of ice, we want to change the value of 1 cup to 1.5. This is how we do it. We'll do mango, ice, and then we'll do, instead of 1 cup, we'll do 1/2 cup. So now, with those two lines, we added the key of milk and its value of 1 cup, and then we changed the already had key of ice and changed its value from 1 cup to 1/2 cup. Now, we can also combine two dictionaries. So before we print out everything again, let's just combine our previous dictionary with a new one. So our new dictionary can be other. Let me scroll this up so you can see. And then we'll do the same way we made the other dictionary, and then we'll add our two other things. So we'll add, honey, and then its value is 1/8 cup, and then comma, and then we'll add yogurt, and then we have 1/4 cup. So now we have our above dictionary of mango, and then we have our new dictionary of other. So how do we add these two? We simply just do mango. We'll do the first dictionary we want, and then we'll do update, and then we'll update the first dictionary with the stuff of the second dictionary. So other. So let's save this. So since our first printout statement has to do with stuff in mango, and mango hasn't really changed, that should stay the same. The second thing, same thing. We still have a time. The times value is still 5, so that won't change. But the last one will change because now mango has the stuff that mango had previously, and then it has now the new stuff. So let's print that out. So now we see that mango has all of the stuff that it had before, but it also has the honey and the milk. And that's how you use dictionaries.